Video number 6. How to use Facebook Live. If you've never tried video, or live video, or even if you've tried out a service like Periscope or Meerkat, and it wasn't quite right, investigate Facebook Live. Find out step by step how to use different functions in Facebook Live. How to start a Facebook Live broadcast. Tap on Update Status. Select the live video icon. Write the description. Choose the audience you'd like to share with. Go live. How to schedule a Facebook Live broadcast. On your page, go to Publishing Tools. Select Video Library and then Live. Copy stream credentials, such as stream key and server URL. Write your announcement post. Finalize your scheduled live broadcast. Click Schedule. Where to find Facebook Live broadcasts to watch? The simplest is, of course, clicking on one in your news feed. If there's a particular broadcaster you enjoy, you can tap the follow button while watching one of their videos to receive a notification next time they go live. You can also choose to receive notifications from pages you follow. By default, this setting is set to on. How to turn notifications on or off. Click the drop-down arrow in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Select Settings. Click Notifications on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Facebook. Scroll down to Live Videos, then choose your desired setting from the 3 options in the drop-down: On, Suggestions Off, and All Off. How to use a mask in live video. Tap the live video icon to begin recording a broadcast. Once live, tap the magic wand icon. Select the masks icon in the Creative Tools tray at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the options and tap on masks to have them automatically appear on your face. To remove the mask, scroll to the far left and tap the No Mask option. How to add a filter to live video. Begin recording a broadcast. Tap the magic wand icon. Scroll left to view all filter options. Tap a filter to select it. Try your hand at live streaming content today and see how much fun you can have getting to know your audience and giving them a real-time peek into your world.